Find your teammates. Grab running. Looking for no one. Good pass. Miss the shot. Run! Celeste, good pass. Peter Watson, the goal. Black ball. Celeste. Looking for no one. Pass to John, accidentally. Towards Marcos Mofico.
Ball.
Charles to Elijah. Rebound to Celeste. Jeremy. Good pass. Rebound by Dorado. Pass to Riley. Turnover. Defense, get your back. Good pass. To Brad. 3 seconds. Black ball. Run Celeste looking for no one. Calls out the pick. He did not use it. Celeste stole the ball. Drives in. And 2 shots. One shot. Off to the left. Second shot, rebound. Makes it. Score is 2.
3.
Rebound by, running, lane. Pass to Marcus. Rebound by John. Rebound by Peter. To Charles. Looking for a teammate, finds Elijah. Good defense. Getting ball. Jump. Possession arrow. Blocking. Dribble by Radley Celeste. Looking for no one. Setting up nothing. 4 down, he said. Good pass. 2 points. John Pedroso. Assisted by Radley. Rebound by Radley. Running slow. Pass to John. Peter last touch. Tito. Rebound by John. Pass to Celeste. Running slow again. As always. Pass to Kenya. Out of bounds. Charles Victor dribbling the ball. Berger. Reset. Blanco. 1 minute and 57 seconds. Darley on the play spacing. Looking for no one. Shot by again out of the board. Rebound by Peganosa. Rebound by Charles to 7. Running slow, he's gonna miss this. That's 2 points. 2 points by Radley Celeste. Running slow. Yellow ball. Brad Cruz. Again, too slow. Celeste. That was a good traveling move in the pass. Defense. 9-2, 24 seconds. Yellow ball, 8 seconds. And Cruz, 7 seconds, running slow again, off to the right. Sit down, sit down, don't sit. Best player. Dribbles. Grab dribble. Dribbles. Radley, how are you? John, how are you? dribble, yellow ball. Tie ball game, 8 minutes and 50. Long ball. Dribble by Eugene. Bingo rebound. Yellow ball. Keeper dribbling the ball. Same ball, yellow ball. Kyler Santiago, 2 points. Eugene took the shot. Out of bounds, rebound. Scramble for the ball. Jump ball, possession arrow, yeah. 2-0. Eugene with the shot. Another shot. Great pass. Another shot. Out of bounds. Good ball by keeper. Pass to Chu. Stolen by Kiefer. Stolen by Morales. To Chu. Rebound by Eugene. Let's go. Eugene having the ball, which is not a good thing. He's just hugging it. Yellow ball. Dribbling, thinking about himself only, he doesn't need a teammate. That's why. 2 points, Eugene Morel. Eugene, you have a teammate. They're wearing black. Let's go. Dribbles. Looking for a teammate. Again, it's now possession arrow, yellow ball. 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Barcelona's substitution. 2. to Zeb. Zeb, number 13, dribbles. Yellow ball. Morales dribbles. Rebounds. Savage. Traveling. Substitution. People. Eugene Morel dribbles the ball. 2 points. He ties the ball game. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Marquejo dribbles. Rebound by Morales, spinning. Stolen by Seth. Good steal. Seth running. Let's go, Seth. You can do it. Good pass. Shoot. Dribbles. Looking for a teammate. He was pressured. It's okay. Dribbles. Come the shot. Almost. Another one. Basket. 2 points. Yellow team is now leading by 2. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Eugene Morel finding no one, just looking at the ring, calling a play, nothing. He drives in, looking for himself. 2 rebounds. Jump ball, possession arrow. Power pass. You need to make that, bro. You need to make that. Giro running. Eugene diving. Rebound by Seth. Stolen. Shot by Morales. Rebound by Eugene. Looking for a teammate. Of course not. Of course not. They lost by 2 points. It's a very sad moment for Eugene Morel. Taken by JP. JP using all the 4-year-old. Let's go. JP to the shot. 2 points. The ball goes wide for JP. 2. Muscling his way. 2 points. We are now. JP feeling the pressure. The 5-year-old is dribbling the ball. Takes a shot. Rebound by 2. Dribbles. Ellie is running. Ellie is running. Rebound by JP. 5-year-old JP using his strength as a 5-year-old. There's a shot. Nothing. Looking for a teammate. JP. Rebound by Kagan. Rebound by 2 dribbles. Kagan is running. Shot, basket, 2 points. Black team is leading. JP feeling the pressure.
Go, JP!
Ellie in the size 10 shoes. Ellie stolen.
Saka. He didn't get the
Taking by
ball!
JP in his chance. Defended by Kaden. Very good. Fake. Another shot by JP. Got a fake. 2 points. Oh, he missed it. Rebound by 2. Ellie with the size 10 shoes defending.
Go, JP, go!
2 points.
Go, JP, go! Go, JP! Get the ball!
Go.
Go, Ellie! Go, Ellie!
Ellie dribbling. Dribbles. Dribbles.
Ayun.
Hindi!
Get the ball, JP! Get the ball, Kaden!
Go JP! Go JP! JP! Oh, he missed it!
Get the ball.
JP, you can do it! JP! Let's go JP! No! 50 seconds!
Go, Kaden! Go, JP! Go, Ellie!
Oh!
One more!
Two, pass to Kaden, pass to Kaden, Kaden, there was a ball.
Shoot the
Kaden
ball!
seems to be open. Takes a shot. No! Rebound by 2.
Kita,
2 points.
galing naman mag-substitute. JP, go! JP, go!
Go, JP, go.
Go, JP! Run!
JP, tapo. But Kaden is chasing him. Kaden is not giving up.
Hands up!
What is it? Pass to Kaden, pass to Kaden. Chu, pass to Kaden. Chu.
Shoot! Yay! Ellie, get the ball, Ellie! Get, Ellie!
Having a hard time. Now, two. Kuya, pass na yun.
Kaden, bola!
Go, yeah, go, run.
Hands up! Compound!
2 shots.
Final!
Sama natin. Take your time, JP. 2 shots.
One more! Get
One
one!
shot.
Oh! Kaden, bola! Shoot the ball!
Kaden, go.
Shoot the ball! Shoot! Binalik! Okay, diretso mo pa! Go, JP! Go!
One more. If you're on the shoot.
One more! Yay!
Pass. Yellow. For 3. Bricks.
Black. Stop. Passes. Passes number 66. Change dribbles. He's so fast. Let's go. Still there. Oh, so long. Maya.
For 3.
Black gets the rebound. Passes. Turnover.
Dom brings the ball up. Dom brings. Pass.
Nice steal by Black.
Lahat pala, dala ko yung remote control.
Black ball. Okay. Draw shot. Oh, steal. Oh, never mind. Oh, turnover.
Yellow ball.
Still Black.
Yellow ball. Dom inbounded. Dom pass. Yellow. Good job.
Good job there.
Foul. Two shots.
Ball.
Big man. Umaga.
Oh my God. Nice one, dog. Oh, no. Try my hustle. Hey, watch behind. Number 56, dribbles. Shoot. Blocks. Oh, rebound to that. Makes it.
Maya!
Yellow inbounded.
7 minutes and 40 seconds.
Number 29 bring the ball. Passes to number 18.
Good shot there. Black ball. Black dribbling. Passes. Chase. Dribbling. Oh, pass. Heavy. He kills the ball. Shoots. Oh, good.
Yellow bring the ball up.
Black gets the rebound. Chase. Dribbling. Doesn't want to pass. Shoots. Misses. Turnover by Black.
John Hughes. Go yellow. My bad.
That was crazy.
Turn over yellow.
That's our take. Hey, back to violation.
Yellow ball. Change inbounded. Mas low na naman.
Nice pass. Oh, hindi na pala.
That's our take. Chase. Breaking the play.
Oh,
Passes.
magpacking ka na naman.
Passes. Nice pass. Oh my God. Nice assist by Chase.
Dom inbounded. Pass number 20.
Uy, anak, ano ba yan? Di ba yellow ball? Nang-attack si Kuya. Yellow ball. Yan.
Shoots.
Ayan.
Bounce. Number 80 dribbling. Oh, still by yet.
Throws.
Throws.
Swish off. Last basket. Rebound is ready. Bang bang.
Yan.
Passes to Chase. Chase. Dribbling. Nice. Nice.
Pass number 18.
Nice one. Okay. Chase. Dribbling. Passes. Oh. In and out. Shoots. Oh.
Spotted by full band.
Oh, Chase. So fast. Turn away.
Don't bring up the ball. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Turnover by Yellow. Steal. Number 66 dribbling. Chase is open. Takes the shot.
She's involved in. Pass. Yun. Don't bring up the ball.
Nice one. Oh! Steal. Never mind. Oh! Passes. Chase dribbling. Steal. The king. Says you have to go. You have to make a break of that. 3. No.
Number 29.
Steal. Oh, Chase is so fast. He's so good. Go Chase. Passes. Chase. Oh, that's fast.
Yung Johnson.
Oh, turn over the gun.
Ulit si Johnson. Oy, where are you going? Here.
Wrong way. Oh, steal. Turn over by Yellow.
It's okay. It happened. Yellow?
Never mind. Yellow. Ball. Chase.
Go man yung Pacquiao.
Mali pa ko.
Go man yung Oh my god.
Frozen. 2 minutes and 1. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Basta. 8 seconds. Yellow. Wait.
Ano nangyari?
Ano?
Nalito sila.
No, 6 seconds. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. 6 seconds.
6 seconds daw ulit. Nalito na.
Okay, go. Wait na.
Yellow ball.
Sorry.
Ayan.
Target.
Rebound and a putback. Run lane dribbling. Looking for no one. Setting up nothing. Sakiana. Asking for a pick. Top, good ball. Rebound by John. John running slow as always. Let's go. Rebound by John. Taken by Jerry. Jerry fighting for the loose ball. Possession arrow, yellow ball. Rebound.
So that's spin.
Dribble by Charles, out in by Celeste. Charles up and look, pass to Grant, good pass. Oh, another one by Grant, no good. David, pass to Charles, Charles running. Charles thinking, pass to Peter. Peter stolen by Runley, the slow guy. He's gonna miss it after that. Number nothing. Defense, Eugene. Grant dribbles the ball.
Rebound.
Takes a shot. Rebound by David. Pass to Peter. Power move. Power move. It's another run by Runley. The slowest guy on the court. Off to the left. Yes. Yes. He missed it. Runley Celeste. Vito drives, out of bounds, yellow. Elijah, dribbles. Pass to Grant. Pass to Peter, power move, power move. Foul, 2 shots, Peter Ponce. On 3 minutes and 44 seconds. Peter, first shot. No good. Second one, rebound. Basket.
Where? Where? You have to wear it so everyone will see you're a winner.
3 minutes and 40. Kiana joins in. She has it on the cup. Pass to Runley. Having it stolen. Gito running. Runley chasing. Pass to Peter. Power move. He's open. Charles for the shot. 2 points. Score. 2-5. Black team losing again.
You can do it.
Calling for nothing. Pointing at the floor. Dribbles, wasting time. Stolen, turnover. Pass to Charles. Good pass, good read by Charles. Read to Ratu.
Go, Randy.
Rebound, pass to Eugene. Turnover. Last 2 minutes. Elijah, slowing the pace down. For the yellow shirt. Pass to Grant. Cruz loses the ball. Black ball.
You can do it.
Runley setting up himself.
Kiana.
Score 5-4. Last 2 minutes, 1 point team yellow. He goes for a pick. Passes to Grant, dribbles. Oh, black ball.
Wala. Where's the
Setting up himself.
Two.
John looks a shot.
One more.
Runway. Pass to Piano, they're open. Pass to Eugene instead. They're open. Looks a shot.
Diba?
Rebound by Eugene. Pass to Celeste. Celeste open.
Shoot.
Rebound by Charles. Charles is left wide open. Chase by the
John.
Virgil.
Oh. Ay, nakuha.
Let's
Yes,
go.
go John. Go John. Go Piano.
We lost him. Same ball. Black ball.
One more. Make it count. Goal ba?
There's a shot. He's asking for a foul, but he doesn't have an answer.
Go, 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 go. Shoot, shoot.
Rebound by Jerry. James Freeborn. Black is leading by 1. Pass to Elijah. Seconds. Can black win it or yellow? Yellow ball. David is open.
Go John, go John.
$18 seconds. 2 shots. John Peñalosa. 2 shots. John Peñalosa. He's feeling the pressure. No pressure for John Peñalosa. Rebound by John. Too strong. Rebound by John. Go, John! 2 shots. Two shots. Oh! Last basket, rebound. David, rebound. If you get the rebound, you can win it.
10 seconds. Out. 3 seconds.
Last 3 seconds.
3 seconds pa. Yellow ball down.
David is open. David is open. Takes a shot. Water break. Eugene, remember what Gino said. Okay? Let's go. Yellow ball.
Dito ba yung yellow?
ball. Eugene, good pass. Gino, what happened? Let's go. Yellow ball. Peter Ponce, 2 points. Eugene Brooklyn. Looking for a teammate. Yellow ball. It hit his foot. Stolen by Eugene. Without the shoe. Rebound by Zeb. Stolen by Jude. By Zeb. Very good. Stolen by Jude. Pass to Kuya. Out of bounds. Yellow ball. By Jude. He's open. Sanchez open. Pass to Kiefer. Oh, he missed it. Good pass to his teammate. Eugene gets in. No shot. 1 ball. Make it. Rebound by Morales. Stolen by Seth. To Eugene. Eugene, oh, he missed it. Pass to Kiefer. Looking up for his shirt. No shot. He's representing his shirt very well. Let's go. Substitution. 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 Let's go. Peter, baseball pass to Lafosse. Lafosse dribbling the ball. Shoots. Stand up. Thank you for coming out. Good pass by Giro, under pressure. Dribble by Morales. Same ball. 28 seconds. 28 seconds. Same ball. Baseball pass, no one. Yellow ball. Keeper. Two more. 18 seconds.